Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
बेसिकली जब आप एटीएम में जाते हैं तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, मतलब थ्रू द मीडिया आई वांट टू टेल एवरीवन टू बी अवेयर दैट व्हेन यू गो टू द एटीएम, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज़ नो वन एल्स इन द एटीएम. इफ़ यू नीड हेल्प, अप्रोच योर बैंक. डोंट मीट रैंडम पीपल फॉर हेल्प. No one is going to help you for free. You have to keep that in mind. The world is not not full of all good people. We have to take care of our own self. Please ensure that no one else is there in the ATM when you are doing your transaction. If someone tries to enter, please request them to wait outside. If they don't wait outside, you please tell the watchman, who should always be present at the ATM. If there is no watchman at the ATM, please tell your bank that there is no watchman. If despite you're telling the person to wait outside, he is not waiting outside and creating a scene, please call 112 and we will come.